You are mistaken from childhood. The doctor explained what body temperature is considered normal. A well-known doctor said that the body temperature when measured under the armpit is considered normal, if it does not exceed 37.5 degrees. There are certain parameters, no matter what you say. If you think that the norm is 36.6, then you are mistaken from childhood. The normal temperature of the human body when measured under the armpit is up to 37.5, the doctor noted. He emphasized that the temperature during the day can fluctuate in any person, and at 16 hours it is higher than at 6 in the morning, after eating it is higher than before eating, in the middle of the menstrual cycle it is higher than on other days. The doctor criticized people who panic and call an ambulance, complaining of a low temperature. Lowering the temperature in the range of 37 is both pointless and dangerous. It is dangerous because all those pills and powders have side effects to lower the temperature. Aspirin is contraindicated in children and people with gastritis. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, nurofen, voltaren, naproxen, for CORS and elderly people, said Myasnikov. He recalled that temperature rises in response to processes in the body. At the same time, remember, the virus stops reproducing just at ambient temperature 38. By lowering this temperature, we wake up the virus. The body in this way, fever, is fighting it. He summed up. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.